Google released an SDK for Unity, and I'm just having a look at the Universal Rendering Pipeline version of it, and then in a subsequent video having a look at another sample that they have created. And so what we have here, we have an URP script that contains a number of settings, a latitude, a longitude, and a range. Don't know if that's meters. And then via Google Console we can generate an API key, and then when we press play we can see what this sample looks like. We can see that by default in this sample that I've got, it loads a particular region for latitude and longitude, and it's got a nice visual display. Now you can see it is not loading other areas at this moment, so that would obviously take more space, and also we can see in this example that the tiles are pretty big. When I press spacebar we can see which way we're facing with a nice visual overlay, so it gives us a good idea. This example here, let me stop this, let me enable the terrain, look at the terrain options, not a valid position. Let's see what we get now. Wow, I don't know exactly what this height map is telling me. You can see we've got some sort of height map, but this is overlaid on top of the flat map, so there isn't any correlation. This is not integrated, and again we've got the same problem. The only thing I've changed is the elevation side, so this is obviously very good to know. In the next video I'll be having a look at the more detailed maps to see what example that Google are providing, to see how that can help us.